Hi there and welcome to this video. Dr. Sandhu here from Bedford Chiropractic Clinic, the most experienced chiropractor in Bedfordshire with over 25 years experience. Over that years, I've treated well over 30,000 patients, completed 130 plus thousand adjustments on my wonderful patients. So being the most experienced chiropractor in Bedfordshire, you need to look no further than Bedford Chiropractic Clinic to resolution of your problems. Follow us on social media. You'll see lots of videos on Facebook, Instagram and TikTok. Follow us on YouTube. You'll find hundreds of videos on educational videos and how I can potentially help you. And I look forward to helping you. Give us a call today at Bedford Chiropractic Clinic and let me help you. Follow us on all our Instagram, follow us on social media and find out how I can help you. Find out what it is that I do. Dr. Sandhu, Bedford Chiropractic Clinic, the most experienced chiropractor. Like us, follow us, share all our videos and help someone else as well. Help a loved one. Share our information. God bless you.